Here are the burgers. Dun, 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 dun. Chat, just a reminder. This one is the Shake Shack. And this one is mine. Okay. Okay, Arthur.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so this is going to be the first burger.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I touch it?
Yes.
Can I wash my hands first?
Sure.
I touched a lot.
Okay. Let me grab you. Okay, the sink is right there.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, it was so
there you go.
it was so surprisingly cold.
There, I put some soap in there.
Oh, I was like, why is it all of a sudden like lubricated?
Oh. Okay, let me know when you're done. Looks like all the soap's off.
Is it?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, here's a napkin.
Hold on. I think I need an extra one because I would have too much moisture on my fingers.
Okay, you're right. Here you go.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. This will be burger number 1.
Okay. So this is burger number 1.
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh. Ooh, the bottom's very perfect. Ooh, this could be, but maybe you're trying to deceive me. But if I had to guess, this could be the Shake Shack burger, just from the feel alone. Maybe not. No, I think this is Shake Shack. Wait. Wait. This is giving me bread smell. I think this is yours.
It's giving you what?
Bread smell.
What does that mean?
It's really good though. It's a little bit cold, but very good.
What does that mean?
Bread sometimes has this like sour smell. I don't know how to describe it.
Okay.
I don't remember Shake Shack having that. But then again, I don't really smell.
Okay.
I don't put my nose into my Shake Shack.
Okay. Here, you can, here's a palate cleanser. Okay. Here is burger number 2.
Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Ooh, wait. This sounds juicy. But maybe this is the Shake Shack one. Now I'm deceived because both are cold. Are you fucking with me?
No. Wow, thank you so much, Perp.
Can you let me smell the other one?
Yes. Here's the other one.
So this one smells stronger like bread.
Okay.
This one doesn't have that. I don't know if you're messing with me. These are very similar. Mm-hmm. So you're not messing with me where like it's both Shake Shack, is it?
No. One is mine and one is Shake Shack's.
So if I had to guess, just because of the smell of the bread, I think the first one is yours. Because sometimes when you get bread from the grocery store, it has this distinct sour bread smell. And I don't ever remember Shake Shack having that. This is both really good though. Can I have the other one? I need to cleanse my palate. This one is smaller, so it's like deception. what?
He's just hungry.
No, I am. But this was a big piece of avocado. But sometimes Shake Shack does that. They are so similar, it's terrifying, by the way. But I think this one's yours because of the smell of the bread.
Is that your final answer?
Yes. Do I open my eyes?
Yeah, you can take it off.
Can you take it off? And?
What do you think?
Oh my god, they look so similar, it's actually terrifying. Are you fucking with me?
No, I swear to God.
Are both yours?
Huh?
Are
No,
both yours?
no.
Are both Shake Shack?
No.
Then, this looks like more patty. I maybe want to take it back. And I think this one is Shake Shack. Just because of the bread, the way it looks toasted. And I did actually tune into your stream and I saw that your patties are very big.
Black Hawk Fever the 6 months. You have to tell me, you can put your final decision in and you let me know.
Okay, so here's the deal.
Okay.
This is a surprisingly big amount of meat. Mm-hmm. But taste-wise, it's nearly identical.
Okay. Can I smell that one?
It's slightly different, right? It's just the bread being ever so slightly
I think the
sour.
meat, like, I feel like you don't smell the bread as much on this one because it, like, is a little bit more moist. Does it make sense? Mm-hmm. Like, it's almost like the bread soaked up the...
Did you actually make one of those?
Yes, I swear. I swear. Yes.
Not that I cheated.
Look at my stations. Yes.
Okay, jokes aside. If you gave me this burger and told me I ordered Shake Shack, I wouldn't notice. I'm not kidding you. The only thing that threw me off is the bread smell. But I think this one is yours.
Okay.
Because of the size of the patty.
Is that your final decision?
But before I thought this one was yours because of the smell of the bread. So now I'm kind of confused.
Okay.
I'm that serious.
Well, you have to make a decision, Arthur. Close your eyes real quick just in case chat forgot which one is mine. Okay.
Okay. Smell-wise, I don't ever remember that the bread smells like this. I think it's just the smell of the bread, but taste-wise, they are nearly identical. So I think this one is yours because of the smell of the bread.
Okay. That's your final decision?
Yes.
You're right.
Oh my god.
You were correct.
That is crazy.
Mm-hmm. You were correct.
It threw me off for a second because I was like, oh my god, there's so much meat. I don't remember there always being so much meat.
I know. They like stacked it up today.
Yeah. Well,